Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Saturday and a great weekend. Well, welcome to my January Saturday stitching, and the theme for January is winter, and we are going to be starting this one from BiggestCraft, and I'm just calling it Winter Hedgehog. So, yeah, we're going to be starting on this blanket that's right next to him. And the color is 920. It's kind of a burnt orange, if you will. And I got my cat because it's the smallest and will fit on this kit. How are we doing, peeps? Holy cow. I do need my thimble, though. Yeah. Oh my goodness. It is Saturday already. Holy cow. Well, at least it's warmer than it was last Saturday. I will give it that much. Pull you this way a bit. So, I got all my running around done yesterday and my roast in the crock pot, and yeah, I had a very pleasant evening meal. It was lovely. So, yeah, just sat and vegged and watched Netflix, watched YouTube. Just kind of didn't do much for the rest of the day. Did get a nap, but other than that, not too bad. Stitched on the mandala for a little bit and stitched on my rabbit in the library. So yeah, just kind of a pleasant day. Wasn't a whole bunch of wind or anything horrible. So yeah, I was quite pleased. And I didn't have to even run to the mailbox because they brought the package I was expecting just right to my door. So, yay, they must have had a bunch of packages, you know, so they didn't have room in the mailbox. It wasn't that big. So, yay. I ordered some supplies for my slow stitching endeavors. But that was about it. Didn't go to the thrift store or any place. Just wasn't in the mood. I did have to run to the grocery store to get a money order, but that was it. Turned around, came right back home. Like a good kid. I don't know. Some days I scare myself. So, yay. But yeah, I was excited to start this one. It's so cute. And of course I love all the blues and oranges. Just absolutely lovely. So what is everybody else doing this weekend? Anybody going any place exciting or fun or different, or waiting for snow or not waiting for snow? Today is the last day of January. Can you believe that? Now next Saturday will be February Saturday stitching, and the theme for February is, of course, the color red. You can do whatever you want in the color red. Now, you don't have to do that at all. You can stitch on whatever you would like. I got some in my eye. So, just stitch away, peeps. But you're welcome to join in and watch and do your own thing. Just do you. This looks like about the same color that I was using on the rabbit in the library. But I just love these little pictures. They're so cute. And they give us all something to look at, something different to do. Besides the big things. Because the little things need attention as well. Now, before I forget, I did have a viewer send me 2 pictures. It's of the same project. One is more secluded area of what they did, and then the other one is like what it looks like overall, the part that they have already stitched. I'll put that right in here. Thank you, Jamie, for sending those 2 gorgeous pictures. What a stunning, stunning kit. And it is a dimensions kit. It is just absolutely beautiful. And if you sent it to me earlier, a few days back, and I didn't get it in right away, I'm so sorry. But yeah, it's just absolutely, I'm flabbergasted, and it's accounted. Holy cow, I would lose my mind. But you're doing beautiful work on it. Thank you for sharing. And like she mentioned in her email that Joy said they had one that was similar to that. So, yeah, maybe I can hunt that one up. But it's just absolutely gorgeous. If anybody else has any projects they'd like to share, something you're working on or something you finished, doesn't have to just be cross stitch, it can be whatever craft you are into, because we need to see all the things, because we do it all. We might not do it all the time, but yeah, love it. But I think with these oranges and blues, I think this is going to be gorgeous. I wanted to start on the window, but I refrained. Yeah, I thought, well, we'll just work down here on this blanket and work towards the little hedgehog girl. He looks all nice and warm and toasty sitting there reading and the snow falling outside. It's going to be 50-some degrees today, guys. I have to remind myself that I live in Colorado. Yeah. Because we're sure not getting no snow. Either it'll be rainy all summer long, or we'll just get massive amounts next year to make up for not getting it this year. So we'll see. And get rid of this needle here. I am using the needles that came in the kit. Put that needle someplace where it needs to be besides laying on my desk. I guess we'll just carry on down here. Since we're this far. This was the color that had the most symbols that I saw right off the bat, and it's a color that y'all can see. I don't like to stitch with really, really dark or really, really light thread, because then you can't tell what's going on. Maybe I'll stitch on this some more today and see if I can make some progress. We will see. Sorry. Because I got no grand plans for this weekend. Oops. My bad. Come on. You were doing just fine. There we go. Sometimes it gets knotted up in the beginning, and others you can just stitch right along. And this is 14 count, so I'm using 2 strands. Actually, I take 1 strand, fold it in half, and start with the loop method since it's 14 count. Ouch. Ow. Didn't watch anything new and exciting on Netflix. Just watching one that I can put on and just stitch away and not have to pay too much attention. I know what's happening. But every once in a while I will find something new, and then I'll have to watch the whole thing because, you know, and watch it like intently. Oops, that was attractive, Laura. And that way I can't stitch and watch at the same time, because 90% of the time I'm reading, what do you call it, subtitles, or it's such an intense plot that, you know, I have to be present and accounted for. Whoops. That's a little close. There we go. So it's just nice to put something on you've seen 100 times and just stitch away. And it doesn't get boring for me. Sometimes I'll just put on my audiobook or some music and just stitch away. I can do any of those things. Is anybody else the same way? Oh, goodness gracious. But yeah, it's supposed to be nice all the way through the rest of this weekend. I don't know about next week. I didn't look that far ahead. But I think we're supposed to be in the 40s or 50s. It gets down to maybe, 10 or, I know it's not 20, so in the single digits or in the teens at night, though, so it's quite cold at night. But I'm in bed, so I don't know those things. I don't pay attention. It's just in a straight line, ain't it? Sorta. But the rest of them, they're all, like that whole section, 3/4 of it is this symbol here, so we should be good. I've been doing so much stitching, I've worn a hole into my finger again, so we're back to using the thimble. I know, why don't I use it earlier, right? Yeah, that never seems to happen. It's like somebody that just doesn't get it and just keeps doing the same thing, see? That would be me. Seems like by the end of the weekend, I bore a hole into my finger for sure. Every weekend. I did find the rest of my thimbles I was looking for, because I bought 2 sets of those, that one kind of thimble that I like, so I found the other box. It was buried, of course, on my desk. I need one of those, maybe. Maybe. I've tried. Those things like guys and girls, put nuts and bolts and stuff in, you know, with little slide drawers. Yeah, and then I never know where anything is because, of course, I don't mark it. Yeah. All right. Let me just put that right there and get that off. So that blanket goes from where it started. Oh, sorry, my bad. My bad. From where it started all the way down to the bottom. There's a few more of that symbol. It's like it's the fringe. So very cool. I love this. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.